In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Redbubble account. Redbubble offers a platform where independent artists share and sell their creativity, from unique t-shirts to custom stickers. However, there might come a time when you decide to close your account, whether you're clearing your digital footprint or simply moving on to new ventures. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to say goodbye to your Redbubble account. Firstly, navigate to the Redbubble homepage. You can do this by typing Redbubble into your preferred search engine or directly entering www.redbubble.com into your browser's address bar. The homepage is your gateway to the website, showcasing a variety of artistically designed products. But remember, our focus today is to guide you through the account deletion process. Next up, locate and click on the Login button. This can typically be found at the top right corner of the homepage. By clicking here, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Start by typing your email address into the respective field. Ensure it's the email associated with your Redbubble account to avoid any login issues. After your email, move on to the password field. Type in the password you chose when you created your Redbubble account. It's crucial these details are accurate to proceed with the account deletion process. After you've entered your login credentials, click on Login. This action confirms your identity and grants you access to your Redbubble account. Once inside, you'll be greeted again by Redbubble's colourful array of products and designs. But remember, you're on a mission to deactivate your account. Now direct your attention towards the top right corner of the website once more. Here you'll find your profile. Clicking on your profile will open a drop-down menu with various options to navigate your account settings. Within this menu, you're looking for Account Settings. This is where Redbubble houses all the necessary options to manage your account, including the option to cancel your account. In the Account Settings menu, scroll until you find Cancel Account. Redbubble has designed their platform to be user-friendly, but they also take the privacy and security of their users' accounts seriously. Therefore, finding the cancel account option might require a bit of scrolling. It's usually located towards the bottom of the page. Once you've found cancel account, click on it. Redbubble will likely ask you to confirm your decision. Consider this a moment to be absolutely sure you want to proceed. If you're certain, move ahead by clicking on Cancel My Account. This action is irreversible, meaning all your data and artwork on Redbubble will be removed permanently, and that's it. You've successfully navigated your way through the process of deleting your Redbubble account. Remember, digital footprints are significant in today's connected world, and managing your online presence is crucial for privacy and security. Whether you're streamlining your online accounts or making space for new creative ventures, knowing how to close accounts on platforms like Redbubble is an invaluable skill. Before we wrap up, a few parting words. Remember, the internet never forgets completely. Even after your account is closed, some remnants of your digital presence might linger in search results for a time. Also, consider backing up any artwork or data from your Redbubble account that you want to keep before deletion. Once you confirm the cancellation, there's no going back, and all your data will be lost. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process of deleting your Redbubble account. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials to help you manage your digital life with ease and confidence.